I have $124 left to thrift for my apartment. Today I want to thrift items for my artist studio, a corner in my apartment. And do you know what this is? For $9, I just found a GD. It's a mannequin that you can size clothes on when you're sewing. What's it worth? Let's check using Cellrate. Took a photo of my find and Cellrate tells me it's worth $100. I'm saving $90. But do I have an even better find? Look at this really fun fuzzy jacket. Check again using Cellrate for the price. Cellrate tells me it's selling online for $30 and it's priced for $40, so it's actually a bad deal. Is this the cash register? Oh my goodness, this is one of those massive big piano step things. I kind of want this. I love the idea of having a room divider, but I don't love the brown of this and the pattern. I feel like I need this for my phone bill every month. And she's cute. Now, what is going on this? And on the side, it has like more. Oh, I don't think this is my style, but someone will love it. What is this? Not one very mystical magical pony, but two very mystical magical pony unicorns. I think this is so pretty, but unfortunately, there's only one. Wait a second, an almost $300 dress, but what is this weird AI gibberish on the front of it? And these straps, this is not for me. I've been finding so many chandeliers, but unfortunately, this does not match my style, and I don't have space for it. This is Hermione Granger, apparently, but I think it looks more like the prince from Shrek. What do you think? Signed Miley Cyrus photograph is still here, though it is a print. Honestly, I'm definitely going to get this, Judy. It's only $9. I'm so excited to find this and to start sewing, and I might be releasing some upcycled items I've been working on secretly for the past few months. Stay tuned to see what those are.